Nothing invited its community to create a limited edition or special edition of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. And the result is this, the glow-in-the-dark Nothing Phone 2A, and it looks absolutely amazing. Let's unbox it. So for this edition, Nothing will produce just 1,000 units of this device. And if you're in the UK, it's going to be available it's going to be one of the first places to have it in Soho in London. But this box is what it comes in. I'm not sure if this is what you're going to be getting if you buy one, but for us reviewers, this is what we're getting. And this box itself glows in the dark. So the writing on the box, the Nothing and the Community Edition will glow in the dark. And when you open it up, it also glows in the dark when it comes to the writing on the inside where it says Community Spirit. Besides that, you take the phone out of the box and you get everything you need inside of the box as well. So you would get a phone itself, so the Nothing Phone 2A Community Edition, and then you also get your booklet in there and a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Besides that, you also get a SIM ejector tool as well, just the way it is in a standard Nothing Phone 2A Plus. That's about it for the unboxing, but where the magic really happens is on the smartphone itself. But before I show you the trick that's got up his sleeve, there are over 900 entries from 47 countries around the world to be able to do this, and that's incredible. I like that Nothing has gone to the community to create this, and I think this is actually what the future should be about in terms of limited edition community smartphones that other manufacturers should probably get on board with and create a version of their phones or their products in general that's designed by the community for the community. So back to the device and what actually happened. Let's talk about the whole process. So starting with the hardware design, someone called Astrid Van Hoys and Kenta Akasaki, they collaborated when it comes to the hardware design with the Nothing's design director, Adam Bates, and they created what we've got here. And also CMF designer Lucy Burley got involved as well in experimenting with different ways to get this, to bring this to life in terms of the hardware. The feature itself is purely analog and it requires no power source. So this is not going to be draining your battery or anything like that. And it can last for hours before gradually just fading away until you recharge it again just using standard, your normal daylight. Then we also get the wallpaper as well, which is also designed by the community. So building on the hardware design, Andre Mateus used a mix of AI tools and digital design to create this connected collection, which is pretty cool. I think they initially tasked them with developing 4 wallpapers. So Andre, along with Nothing software design director, they basically, and their software designer as well, decided to expand the final collection to 6 wallpapers, and this is one of them here. So when we go into the wallpaper, you can see the rest of the options that are available there. So they look really cool. They've just been designed to sort of go with what we've got here. Once they've done all that in terms of the hardware design, the wallpaper, just those extra touch and effect, we then have the packaging design. So for the packaging design, Ian Henry Simmons reimagined Nothing's packaging design with this less is more kind of concept with this graphically bold yet simple super macro crop. The final packaging includes reflective elements with glow-in-the-dark environments to complement the winning hardware design. Then, of course, you can't create something like this without actually pushing it out there to let people see it, which is where someone like me comes into play, because we get to hold one of these and actually see it and use it and see what it's all about in person, which is pretty cool. I think they've done a great job. They've also created a bunch of imagery, videos and stuff like that to create that campaign that allows them to push it out there and bring this old vision to life. I think they've done a great job, and I love that they've included their community in making this happen. As for availability and pricing, the Community Edition Project phone is available across all markets and has been developed on the Phone 2A Plus, except if you're in Japan, it's the Phone 2A. Like I said at the start, they'll produce 1,000 units of these devices, and it'll be available to purchase from the 12th of November on nothing.tech, as well as some of the retail partners, and it'll be priced at £399, which is decent pricing. With that, you get 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. But over to you though, let me know what you think of this. And before we go, let me leave you with the glow in the dark effect that this actually gives you, because that's what you've been waiting for. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.